गुड इवनिंग फुटी जनता। आज हम बात करेंगे जो हेरा फेरी चल रही है ट्रांसफर रूमर्स की। मेरे साथ है शौनक, he'll give you the latest transfer rumors and welcome to फुटी आपा।
Hey guys,
तो
पीयूष
शौनक क्या चल
भैया।
रहा है
अरे यार,
ट्रांसफर रूमर्स?
अरे हाँ, I recently went through a lot of rumors and today's biggest news is that Carlo Ancelotti is just one step closer to join Real Madrid, according to Fabrizio Romano. And
Oh,
it's a
nice.
great shock, because he was the guy uh, that put in the habit of winning trophies for Real Madrid in 2014 when they first won their first Champions League after 12 years. Uh,
Okay.
and उसके बाद they set a pattern of winning it.
Who did
The,
they win against Real Madrid
they
that
won
time?
against Atletico Madrid. वो याद नहीं क्या तुझे? सर्जियो रामोस
Ah,
हेडर
oh, the
मारा था.
Sergio Ramos one. Okay, okay.
Right,
Yeah,
right.
yeah,
And now he's coming back to Real Madrid, and I think that's a very sad news and dejecting, a feeling of dejection for Evertonians.
yeah. Yeah, yeah, absolutely. He's a very good manager. I
Mhm.
remember him from his Chelsea days also.
Right.
He's a good manager. He is an aggressive manager in that sense. Never
Mhm.
defend. You can see it in Everton also
Mhm.
right now with the way they were playing. They were quite aggressive going forward.
Right.
Unfortunately, their defense was not that good. So he'll be a great manager at Real Madrid. I'm surprised they didn't go for Zidane.
हाँ भाई.
Give another year to Zidane, but I think Zidane has done a lot of things already as a player and manager.
Exactly. Bro, तुझे पता
I
है,
think
like
he doesn't
Ancelotti
have
is
to
the
prove.
Ancelotti is the first manager to win at Anfield after 20 years as a Everton manager. ठीक है? And just look at Everton's bad luck ना कि they get a good manager and now he's leaving for Real Madrid. So this just shows ki how powerful these big European clubs are.
Absolutely, absolutely. But I feel sad for James Rodriguez also. I think
Mm-hmm.
Carlo was one of the main reason why he came to like Everton. But I don't know who do you think will replace him at Everton then?
Man, I think right now there are. I just know one free manager right now, but he won't go to Everton. That's Antonio Conte.
I don't think
He,
he'll get a better role.
exactly.
Uh, many of them are saying Lampard may take over Everton.
But Lampard
That
is
will be
linked with
interesting.
Crystal Palace, na? He's linked with Crystal Palace.
Oh, is it?
Yeah,
Oh,
yeah, as a manager. And bro, you know one interesting
Crystal
fact that
Palace had Roy Hodgson, right, as the
yeah, Roy
manager right
Hodgson
now.
was nahi. Roy Hodgson was yeah. This was his last management season, and
Yeah.
now he has retired as and stepped down as Crystal Palace's manager. And
So
another interesting fact is like Ancelotti also nurtured talents like James Isco, and he gave chance to Jesse Rodriguez, Alvaro Morata, and now he's coming back to the great Real Madrid. And I think now the future looks bright for Madrid because they are getting
they
up.
have a lot of youngsters. Yeah.
Right, exactly.
So
And another
nice,
shocking news
nice,
is like
interesting.
Lukaku is linked back to Chelsea once again.
Yeah, I think. Yeah, that has been a rumor for a long time. We need a striker, so most probably we'll be spending big on a striker. We are
Right.
also linked with Chelsea is also linked with Declan Rice
Hmm.
because we need a central defensive midfielder. So I think that will be the two buys Chelsea will go in this transfer window. Let's see how it goes.
But
Lukaku will be interesting proposition to come back to Premier League, frankly,
okay.
because he was not that great at United. He was amazing at Everton.
Hmm.
Chelsea, he didn't get chance. He was amazing at Inter Milan, and now he's back. The great thing about Lukaku is he's always young.
Right,
Like
right, right.
whenever he's gone through so many transfers, but
Huh.
he's still young. He's not that old also.
He's 28.
So it will be an interesting sign for 3 years. If they can get a deal for 3 years, that will be
Huh.
interesting.
But do you want to see Lukaku at Chelsea really, or do you prefer any other player?
See, I frankly would prefer Harry Kane, but I don't think Spurs will do that. I think Spurs will try to sell him not in England, but maybe Spain or somewhere,
Huh.
like Real Madrid or somewhere.
Hmm.
Uh, But abhi any striker who has scored about 25 goals, I'm okay with having him at Chelsea, frankly. You
Right,
just
right,
need that one piece in the jigsaw to compete for the Premier League. That's what I feel.
exactly. And another done deal is Ibrahima Konate to Liverpool, and I think that's a great
Like
proposition.
shish.
Yeah,
He's a centre back.
he's a centre back, and another interesting fact about this guy Ibrahima Konate is that he's very good at ball, and he plays like mini Van Dijk, mini Van Dijk esque. Like he has also got that physique of Van Dijk. He's also 6.4 feet something height uski, and
Yeah.
but also he has a very bad record at injuries, and I'm a little bit concerned for that. But let's see what happens.
But Liverpool anyways dealt with the injury thing this year, and I think that's
Mhm.
why they bought a lot of players. So I
Right.
think defensively you're quite sorted. I don't know. I still think Liverpool need a striker,
Yeah, yeah,
uh, or
definitely.
some at least a
Midfielder.
winger.
Exactly,
Yeah,
exactly.
because that is where they lack.
Mm-hmm.
What do you think about Arsenal? They need a lot of signings, is what I feel.
Huh.
Arsenal and Spurs. So any rumors there?
Yeah, yeah. There's one rumor like Arteta in January he opted for Martin Odegaard on loan from
Mhm.
Real Madrid. Then Odegaard came from Real Madrid to Arsenal. Okay. He was there for half of the season on loan, and Arteta decided to get Odegaard on a permanent basis for at least 30 million or something. But Real Madrid are not listening offers less than 50 million right now, and they want more than 50 million. So I think that's a setback for Arsenal, I believe.
Yeah, Odegaard has been for years. He has been that young talent,
Yeah.
and I think with Carlo at Real Madrid, I don't think Real Madrid will be too keen to sell him at least.
Uh-huh.
That is
But
what I
also,
think.
he is
I,
very young now.
and
He's only
also
25.
and also position of Arsenal in the Premier League, right?
Mm-hmm.
Like
Right.
no Champions League football. The team is not doing that well.
Right.
Uh, lot of things have to be done by Odegaard.
Hmm.
There are like no partnerships. Like attacking midfield wise, Arsenal really lack because they
Hmm.
don't have like great attacking central midfielder.
Right. Right.
So they have to go for a great midfielder. But I don't think Odegaard will. They even went for Caballos, right? Like they signed him for loan, then they played him for this season, but he was
Uh-huh.
really bad this season.
Yeah, he
Danny
wasn't up to that
Ceballos,
mark, man. Danny Ceballos.
and that is the threat. Like if you buy someone from Spanish league or some other leagues,
Right.
whether they'll be able to settle or not, that's a different thing. And Odegaard didn't look like, oh my god, he has set the world alight in
Huh.
Premier League, frankly.
Yeah, he wasn't in
So
the limelight, I would say.
yeah, and it will be interesting. Even Spurs need a lot of signings, is what I feel. If Kane is going, they need a striker.
Need a striker.
Uh,
Yeah.
they, they don't have like a central attacking midfielder.
Mm-hmm.
Their center backs are old now.
Hmm.
Uh, they need options for left back, right back.
Right.
I think they have a lot of signings to do. So it will be an interesting window for Spurs, is what I feel.
Exactly.
Any
Exactly.
rumors of United?
Yeah, very interesting fact. Sancho is once again linked with Manchester United, and this time the reports are saying
Cristiano भी होगा. Cristiano is like a हर साल
हर विंडो में आता है वो.
absolutely they have like the boys coming back home and
बस
everything.
बस वो सीट बेल्ट लगाना भूल जाता है इसलिए उसकी फ्लाइट छूट जाती है. सो इतना ही रहता है, इतना कुछ नहीं सी.
So Sancho, that will be interesting.
Yeah. Sancho will be
That
interesting, and he has his heart set on Man United, and Ole Gunnar Solskjaer also wants him to be a part of his plans, and this time Borussia Dortmund has also lowered their fee. Like last summer, they were willing to listen offers only up to 100 or 105 million euros, and this time they've reduced their fees
80 million.
80 million something. Yeah, right.
It will be an interesting signing. It will be very sad for someone like Mason Greenwood
Mm-hmm.
because a big name comes in and then he has to sit on the bench. He is performing really well, so it will be very interesting how Solskjaer handles if Jadon Sancho comes. It will
बस
be an
बट ये तो
interesting
होता ही है ना,
talent to
ये तो
come to
होता ही है
Premier
ना
League.
कि कोई अगर स्टार अपने टीम में आ जाता तो डेफिनेटली कि
Yeah,
यंग
yeah,
प्लेयर.
absolutely.
हाँ,
But that is the point. Really, do you think United need any more attacking options, or do they need more defensive options now?
I think they should
Like
sign a
they need
defender.
to sign a defensive midfielder. They also need to sign a center back.
Right.
At
Winger
least,
का.
in fact, at least two center backs is what I feel. If you see, no, if you see, they just have three center backs at this time.
Mm-hmm.
By Lindelof,
Maguire.
like Fosu Mensah, and like
Maguire.
Fosu Mensah plays on the wings also. He
Mm-hmm.
plays in the center back option, but they can't use it really.
Right.
So they need a good world class center back.
Right.
What do you think? Sergio Ramos will leave Real Madrid this season?
Arey, he's linked recently with Manchester City, and Manchester City have also offered him 2 year ka contract. So let's see now, because he's not willing to sign a contract at Real Madrid. I don't know what exactly has happened to him and what is his problem with Florentino Perez. But I don't want to see him at Man City, to be honest, because Man City have a lot of players right now. Look at players like, yeah, seriously, like players like
And
Ruben
then
Dias.
and they need that leader. And with
Mhm.
Sergio Ramos being there, they will get that leader. Like the leader they had in Vincent Company, if
Huh,
Sergio Ramos comes to City,
huh.
that will be a missing piece. Like Kevin De Bruyne can't be that kind of a leader. He's an amazing player. I'll be very frank about it. But as a leader, he lacks.
ब्रो यही तो
And
फर्क
that
होता
is
है ना,
where,
एक लीडर में और एक प्लेयर में, यही तो फर्क होता है. लाइक लुक एट जॉर्डन एंडरसन फॉर एग्जांपल. नाउ ऑनेस्टली आई विल से कि जॉर्डन एंडरसन कोई ऐसा अल्ट्रा एक्सक्लूसिवली एक्स्ट्राऑर्डिनरी प्लेयर
yeah,
है नहीं.
greatest midfielder.
ठीक है, हाँ, ऐसा तो नहीं है, बट द वे ही
Even
कैरीज हिज
Aspi
टीम.
for that example.
हाँ, एग्जैक्टली, यू कैन आल्सो सी इन चेल्सी कि एस्पिल की बेटा. बट सर्जियो रामोस इफ ही कम्स एट मैनचेस्टर सिटी देन दे विल गेन अ, क्या बोलते हैं सब, वेल एक्सपीरियंस सेंटर बैक, एंड that would be like a bonus
And a
for Pep.
leader.
Yeah, leader. And
But
he
do
would
you
be
think
someone, na.
Pep will work with Sergio Ramos from like his
Uh,
antics at Barcelona and Real Madrid? Do you think it will work well?
well, I honestly don't see Ramos at City because I don't know. Like I don't want to see Ramos at City, man. Honestly.
That's the only point. He can come. Like City
Yeah,
can just take whoever they want right now.
yeah.
Because with Pep is going to attract players. That's the manager power, frankly.
And manager,
But
and
talking
both
about
sides also, even their financial situation is also pretty good, na. Like they're never in crisis.
and talking about City, Aguero moved to Barcelona, I guess.
Yes.
That's an interesting
That's
sign.
a done deal. Like
That,
yesterday, Aguero to Barcelona, Derek Garcia to Barcelona as well.
wow. Those are interesting. I think I don't know if
Hmm.
Messi is staying this year. I
Yeah.
can see the resurgence of Barcelona somehow.
Exactly.
I think they are also linked with Memphis Depay, which will be an amazing signing
Huh.
if they can get it through.
And they're also getting the
And they
hands of
have
Wijnaldum, no?
And yeah, exactly. And they have some very good young talent which played this season.
Yeah.
It's just that Antonio Griezmann has not been working for them for a long time.
Mm-hmm.
But I am pretty sure like this season will be really good for Barcelona with the signings they have. They will make three more signings, but they'll be in an interesting space. They also need like a center back, which I don't know. Most of the teams always need a center back.
Exactly.
I think in Chelsea we can see only we are a team where we have like surplus of center backs right now. Like we have 4-5 center backs who can play in the first team. But apart from that, most of the teams require a center back. And I think Barcelona also will require center back with PK growing old and everything.
You know what has happened to Barcelona? They are trying to offload players, pata hai? And one of them is Philippe Coutinho. Philippe Coutinho, Jordi Alba. I'll talk about Philippe Coutinho because he's linked with Liverpool.
Okay.
And he's linked for a Liverpool return. Okay. So basically.
अरे तुम लोग स्नेक था ना तुम्हारा, वो वापस आएगा, लेंगे क्या तुम? दूध पिलाएंगे ना अभी?
Well, man, they're offering him for free, but it's not a free transfer. Okay, I'll explain you what has exactly happened.
Yeah.
So we sold him for 142 million in January 2018. ठीक है? फिर Barcelona decided to pay upfront amount of just 105 million, and later on they decided to pay the remaining one in installments. But the installments never came. So Barcelona basically owed Liverpool a debt of 40 million pounds or something, 40 or 42, and So they don't want to pay the 40 million amount right now because they are in financial crisis. So what they're offering to
Yeah.
Liverpool is, instead of 40 million, you guys just take Philip Coutinho.
Oh, nice. That if that happens for a free transfer,
Huh.
what a victory for Liverpool in the transfer market. Because
Sure, man.
Coutinho can
Definitely.
still turn up still turn up and play good, and
Yeah.
to get him for free and also get 105 million before for him, that will be like a steal, man. That is a brilliant, like lucky, but that is brilliant. That is just amazing.
But he was also called
Who
as a little magician as well, and
and a
he
little snake also.
a little snake as well, and he has also recently been through a lot of injuries at Barcelona. And just imagine na कि confidence की क्या लगती होगी, because
Yeah, but he performed well at Bayern also, na, last year when he was on the loan.
exactly superb खेला हुआ at
Yeah,
Bayern
so
Munich.
I see. I'll be very frank.
हाँ
In the end, if you have that Brazilian flair, na,
हाँ
you're going to shine up sometime. Like
definitely
all these Brazilian players are just amazing. Just
sure.
love them.
Lovely players.
So I'm pretty sure Coutinho will be hitting that curler from outside the box
And he was
once
a
at least if he
fan
comes
favorite.
to
No,
the.
he was a fan favorite at Anfield.
But
So
will he be a fan favorite now? That will be an interesting question.
see, I'll tell you another interesting
Or
fact.
will you guys be hypocrites? That will be.
No, no, but to be honest, even
Yeah.
Klopp had plans key for Philip Coutinho. Ki, listen, these are my plans, and you fit into this plan. I need you to stay. I want you
Okay.
to stay. You can go in the next summer window, ठीक है? But he was,
Okay.
how do I say it? Like, उसको जाना ही था. He was very adamant, and he said, "Listen, I want to go just right now. I don't want to stay anymore." So he was sold for 142 million eventually. That's it.
So will he work with Klopp? Like, does Klopp have now
Hmm.
Coutinho in his plans?
No, I don't think so, because see, if it's a free transfer, then I think Michael
It's
Edwards will do his
yeah,
magic.
absolutely. I think
Yeah,
that's brilliant. Who else are Barcelona offloading?
Barcelona. See, one of them is Jordi Alba, and he's linked with this Atletico Madrid. Yeah, and he's linked with
Oh,
Atletico Madrid, and I don't know. Like there were rumors like they're also trying to offload Sergio Busquets, Antonio Griezmann.
interesting. Antonio Griezmann, oh, that will be interesting signing if that
Yeah, yeah,
happens. Because I think he still has the potential.
yeah. It is vibrating.
Yeah, sorry.
Yeah.
I think he still has the potential
Hmm.
uh, to play well, and he's not performed for Barcelona this season.
Mm-hmm.
So if he moves somewhere else, and I think he can perform there in that.
Right, right. So I think,
So interesting transfer rumors, I guess.
yeah.
We will keep a hold of all these transfer rumors as they come to us.
Sure.
These were a few transfer rumors, and we will be doing our Euro like previews soon. Like Euros are coming, it's gonna be a fun June. So let's hope that we get to watch a lot of football. And please share, subscribe, and like our channel, the Footyapa. And take care.
Thank you.
Adios.
Thank you so much. Like, share, comment, subscribe. Yes.